welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the beach with my family, so thought I might do like a quick little beach video vlog type of thing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. We rented a car just because all of our cars are trashed. Like, they broke down at the same time, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna be on our way real soon. I'm the only one in the back, so you know I'm about to be sleep. Put my stuff down. Let me show you guys this car. So this is the car. We got a forward, and I love it. I don't know, I like these type of cars because I learned how to drive at school with a forward. Oh wait, I should open. See? Oh my god, it's so hot in here because everything's like black. But yeah, I'm not getting in there right now because it's too hot. I'm not. It's Florida. Every day is summer. I wish my parents would let me freaking drive. Like, I know how to drive, guys. Like, I know how to drive. Like, just let me drive. It's so hot in here. Oh my gosh. No, I need air. Whew. Oh Lord, look at his face.